Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today we're going to learn how to propagate the Aeonium. Aeoniums are handsome succulent plants in shades of either green, dark red or near black. In the temperate zone they're best used as pot plants where they quickly make attractive specimens. They can also be planted out for the summer, as I've done here. Despite seeming so exotic, the good news is that Aeoniums are easy to propagate from existing plants. You might wish to propagate your Aeonium for a number of different reasons. You might wish to have more plants for yourself or to share with your friends. Or it could be that some accidental damage has resulted in a piece breaking off your existing plant and you don't want to waste the plant material. Or it could be that you have a mature plant that has become leggy over time and you want to start again with a more compact plant. The ideal time to propagate Aeoniums is in spring, but I've found propagation just as successful at any time of year. The first thing to do is to select your cutting material. You'll need a complete rosette on a stem of about 4 inches or 10 centimetres. For the quickest results, choose a large rosette. Propagation can be done with smaller ones, but they'll take a long time to grow to a decent size. With a sharp, clean secateurs, snip your chosen stem close to the trunk of the plant. Reduce the cutting material's stem in size to about 4 inches and discard the redundant stem portion. Now you'll need to leave your cuttings to callus over for about 3 days. When your stems are nicely calloused, make up a well-drained potting mix. I'm using 50% ordinary potting mix and 50% horticultural sand. Fill a pot with your mix and plunge your cutting into it to about half the depth of the stem. Water your cutting once and place it in a warm, well-lit area, not in direct sun. Temperatures of 64 to 68 Fahrenheit or 18 to 20 centigrade are optimal, and a sunny windowsill is ideal. Water your cuttings sparingly until they've rooted, taking care not to spill water directly onto the leaves. Aim to keep the potting mix just moist at all times. It will take 3 to 4 months for your cutting to produce a good root system, at which time it can be potted on. Happy growing!